Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing a CeraVe Moisturizing Cream Pump Kit with the pumper for psoriasis. So this reduces scaling. I need to see a dermatologist. I've been really dry lately, so kind of think I might have some psoriasis, but I got this to try this out. I don't know what's up with this tape thing up top, but looks like it shipped and sold from another spot. But taking this off so you can see the OG CeraVe packaging. So here we go. All right, let's try this. It's not right. Trying to loosen the top so that I could pump it and show you guys what it looks like. Huh. Oh, there we go. All right, here we go. Okay. It's like creamier than CeraVe's other moisturizing cream. Feels like a combination of their lotion and their moisturizing cream. So more liquidy than their moisturizing cream, not as thick, but definitely thicker than the CeraVe regular lotion. So my hands have been super dry this winter and kind of think might have some minor psoriasis going on. So let's see if this helps out with that. But yeah, just want to show you all the unboxing of this. Texture wise, in between their moisturizing cream, their regular moisturizing cream and lotion. And I will let you all know whether this helps out with my dry hands or not. So yeah, thanks everyone. Hope you're all doing well, and please like and subscribe for more future random unboxing videos. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.